Understanding Mobile Crane, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, mobile crane. This term is commonly used in construction and engineering, but what does it really mean? Let's dive into it and make it crystal clear for all English learners out there. Firstly, let's understand what a crane is. A crane is a large, tall machine used for moving heavy objects by suspending them from a projecting arm or beam. Cranes are essential in construction for lifting and moving materials like steel beams, concrete blocks, and other heavy items. Now, let's focus on the word mobile. In English, mobile refers to something that can be moved or is capable of moving easily. It's not just about phones. So, when we talk about mobility, we're discussing the ability to move or be moved freely and easily. Combining these two words, a mobile crane is a crane equipped with wheels or caterpillar tracks for easy movement. Unlike stationary cranes, mobile cranes can be moved around a site or between different locations. This makes them incredibly versatile and valuable in many construction scenarios. Mobile cranes come in various types, each suited for different tasks. Some common types include telescopic crane, has a boom that consists of a number of tubes fitted one inside the other. Truck-mounted crane, mounted on a rubber tire truck for maximum mobility. Rough terrain crane, designed for off-road construction sites. All-terrain crane, combines the mobility of truck-mounted cranes with the ruggedness of rough terrain cranes. Mobile cranes are used in a variety of settings, including construction sites, for lifting heavy materials, ports and harbors, for loading and unloading cargo, manufacturing plants, for assembling heavy equipment, rescue operations, in emergencies to lift debris or vehicles. I hope this video has helped clarify what a mobile crane is and how it's used in different industries. Understanding such terms not only expands your English vocabulary but also your knowledge of how things work in the real world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.